Hello student. Now we study about the term sex ratio, age distribution and age pyramids. So definition of sex ratio: the ratio of the number of individual of one sex to that of the other sex is called sex ratio. The factor which affect on this sex ratio is birth, death, immigration and all related with ESS. So ESS means it is evolutionary stable strategy. So ESS, the male and female of population should be ratio of 1:1. It is ideal ratio. The next term, that is age distribution and age pyramid. So definition of age pyramid: the age distribution is plotted for the population. The resulting structure is called as age pyramid. So age pyramid is important parameter for human population. For making age pyramid, entire population divide into 3 age group. The first, that is pre-reproductive, second reproductive and third post-reproductive. So pre-reproductive, the age is from 0 to 14. This is pre-reproductive, 0 to 14 year. Reproductive age, it is from 15 to 44 years. So it is a reproductive age group. Post reproductive age group is between 45 to 85 plus year. So this is post reproductive age group. Post reproductive age group. So according to this 4 structure, the age pyramid given in figure, what will be the forecast after 15 years? So first forecast for Kenya. So in this group, in this pyramid, Kenya is showing rapid growth as its pre-reproductive group is large. This is pre-reproductive group, it is very large. Post-reproductive group is much reduced. Post-reproductive group is most reduced. Therefore 15 years from now, the population will be large in Kenya. The second, that is the forecast for Australia. So in these pyramids, Australian age pyramid is showing larger in post reproductive group. In this post reproductive group, in year to come, they will be removed from population. Also the pre-reproductive group, this is pre-reproductive group, is not much larger. This will not added to Australian population in future. So the country will show slow growth rate. Means in United States, Australia, they show slow growth rate. The next, that is for Italy. So in Italy, the reproductive, this is reproductive as well as the post reproductive, these groups are almost similar. The pre-reproductive group is, this is pre-reproductive group, it is mostly limited So in future the population will not expand. At the same time, the post reproductive group is larger, so it means that population growth will not reduce in next 15 years, which is called as zero growth. The forecast for Hungary, so in this typical pyramid where pre-reproductive group and reproductive group both are small, the post reproductive group is much larger, which show that in next 15 years old people will leave the population, causing negative growth. So it show negative growth. Example, Germany and Hungary.